Welcome everyone. In this video, we will look at Ethiopia, one of the Africa's largest countries. We will explore its size and the distinct shapes that make it unique. By the end of this video, we will have a better understanding of Ethiopia's geographical significance and how it will be shape the country's culture and environment. Let's start by look at the size of Ethiopia. Ethiopia, with a total area of approximately 1,106,000 square kilometers, is the 8th largest country in Africa and the 25th in the world. It extends about 1,639 kilometers east-west and 1,577 kilometers north-south. Ethiopian size also affect the country's natural and human environment. Begin, we will look at the advantages and the disadvantages of Ethiopian size. Let's start with the advantages of Ethiopia's large size. 1. Possess a diverse agroecological zones. Ethiopia has an abundant agricultural resource base due to its varied agroecological zones. The varied climate condition and the contrasting in elevation allow for cultivation of various crops ranging from a cool weather crop to subtropical warm weather crops. 2. A variety of natural resources. Ethiopia is one of the few countries in the world that possess unique and characteristics fauna and flora with a high level of endemicity. The existence of a wide range of ecosystems endowed Ethiopia with a great varieties of habitats, contributing its high faunal and flora diversity. 3. Own extensive arable land. 4. Have a large population size. 5. Home for a diverse cultures. 6. Greater depth in defense external invasion. The next things we need to do is describing the disadvantage of Ethiopia's large size. 1. Demands greater capital to construct infrastructure facilities. 2. Require large army to protect its territory. 3. Difficult for effective administration. 5. Difficult for socio-economic integration. Now that we have covered its size, let's examine the shape of Ethiopia and its implications. Countries of the world have different kinds of shapes that can be divided into 5 main categories: compact, fragmented, elongated, perforated, and protruded. These shapes have implication on defense, administration, and economic integration within a country. Compact shaped countries. The distance from geographic center of the state to any of the boundaries does not vary greatly. It is easier for a defense, socio-economic, and cultural integration. Fragmented shaped countries. They are divided from their other parts by either water, land, or other countries. Elongated shaped countries. They are geographically long and relatively narrow, like Chile. Perforated shaped countries. The country that completely surrounds another country, like Republic of South Africa. Protrude shaped countries, countries that have one portion that is much more elongated than the rest of the country, like Myanmar and Eritrea. Indices of compactness. There are various ways of measuring the shapes of the country. These measures are known as indices of compactness. These indices measure the variation of the shapes of the country from a circular shape, which is the most compact shape. Since there is no a country with absolutely circular shape, those approximating a circular shapes are said to be more compact. There are four most commonly used measures of compactness. These are: 1. Area boundary ratio. The higher the area boundary ratio, the greater the degree of compactness. 2. Boundary circumference ratio. The nearer the ratio to 1, the more compact the country is. 3. Area circumference ratio. The higher the area circumference ratio, the greater the degree of compactness. 4. Area ratio. The nearer the ratio to 1, the more compact the country is. I will see you in the next video where I show you how to calculate the indices of compactness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the cues and leave your answer in the comments below.